Hello my dear students, in this very video lecture, I will discuss an important grammatical topic which is nothing but the verb. And you know well, verb is one of 8 part of speeches in grammar. In English grammar, there are total 8 part of speeches. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And among these 8 part of speeches, verb is very much important. Now, we have to understand the definition of verb, or what do you mean by verb. Verb is nothing but a word or a part of speeches where or which denotes something, action or event or situation or state. For example, he plays football. This is one kind of action. The incident happened last night, a kind of event. He is good, he is poor, a kind of condition. So, this is nothing but the verb. Now, we will understand the classification of verbs. In English grammar, verb is mainly of 2 types. One is principal verb or main verb, and another one is auxiliary verb. And we have to understand the classification of also auxiliary verb. In English grammar, auxiliary verb mainly 3 types. One is principal auxiliary, second one is modal auxiliary, and third one is semi-modal auxiliary. In principal modal auxiliaries, 3 parts are there. One is do verb, do, did, does. Second one is be verb, am, is, are, was, were. And the last one is have verb, has, have, had. And these 3 are the part of main our principal auxiliary. Then modal auxiliaries are there. A modal auxiliary and semi-modal auxiliary in together total 13. Okay. For example, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, dare to, used to, need to. All these are in together total 13. Among these 13 modal auxiliaries, need to, used to and dare to are called semi-modal auxiliary because they something used as main verb and also the auxiliary verb. That's why they are called semi-modal auxiliary. Now, sometimes you have to keep in mind that auxiliary verb can be the main verb. How? If I say I am playing football. So here, am is our auxiliary verb or helping verb. Why helping verb? Because it is helping the main verb, playing. So here, I am playing football, am is auxiliary and playing is our main verb or principal verb. But if I say I am a boy or he is a man, this am and is here only is being used alone. That's why it is called main verb. So you have to keep in mind that although we are saying that be verb or am is or was were, sometimes be verb can be the main verb when you are using alone only. For example, he is a man, is his main verb. They are poor, are his main verb. Understood or not? Clear? Now you will understand various another classifications of verbs. Another type of verb according to object is 2 types: transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb means the verb which is object. This is called transitive verb. And intransitive verb means the verb which has no object, means intransitive verb. For example, if I say I play, is there any object? No, there is no any object. That's why I play is intransitive verb. This play is intransitive verb because the verb is lacking the object. But in the case of I play football, so play here as a object football. That's why the play is the transitive verb because football is there. Football is nothing but the object here. In particular, the direct object. Keep in mind because object is 2 types. One is direct object, one is indirect object. And how can you get the object? By asking the main verb by what or whom you will get the object. For example, if I say I play football. I play what? Football. I will kill you. I will kill whom? You. So, we can get object by asking the main verb by what or whom, then we will get the object. And if you ask the main verb by what, you will get the direct object. If you ask the verb by whom, you will get the indirect object. Okay. Now, the verb with object is called transitive verb. The verb without object is called intransitive verb. Understood? Now, another classification of verb. One is finite verb. One is non-finite verb. So it is very interesting verb. You have to keep in mind that finite verb is a verb which is regulated by the subject of a sentence, tense of a sentence or person of a sentence. But in the case of non-finite verb, it is not regulated by the subject of a sentence or tense of a sentence or person of a sentence. For example, if I say I play football. But if I say Ram plays football, why Ram plays? Because Ram is there. Ram is third person singular number. That's why SOES has come to main verb. That's why Ram plays football. If I think about the past, then yesterday Ram played football. Look, the verb is being changed according to the tense, according to the person, according to the situation it is being changed. That's why it is called the finite verb. But in the case of non-finite or non-finite verbs are those verbs which are not regulated by the subject of a sentence, person of a sentence, or tense of a sentence. For example, if I say I love to eat rice. Look, if I say he loves to eat rice. Look, the love has been changed. Love, loves, it is changing. But look, the another word, I love to eat rice. To eat, it is changing? No, it is not changing. If I give another example, I like to read. Okay, I like to read. To read also verb and like also verb. But keep in mind, if I say he, then he likes. He likes to read. If I say they like to read. If I think about the change of tense in past, then they liked to read. But the to read is changing? Not changing. Then it is finite, non-finite verb. Now non-finite verb is of mainly four types. One is infinitive use, second one is gerundial use, third one is participle use, and last one is not verbal noun. Okay. Now this finite infinitive use, then gerundial use, then participle use, and verbal noun use, these four are part of non-finite verbs. Infinitive, you know the use of to. But if I give example, I like to read. To read is here non-finite verb, in particular infinitive. If I say to work is a good exercise, to work is a non-finite verb. But the rest three, one, the gerund and participle and non-verbal noun, these three have the use of ing form. But both are not, these three are not the same. Everything is different. Now how can you recognize the difference between among these three? First of all, you have to understand that when you get the participle, then the participle will work as an adjective. For example, if I say I saw a crying girl, I saw a setting sun. Understood? I saw a crying baby. So crying baby had participle, in particular is your adjective, but ing. But if I think about gerund, gerund means direct ing. Here I was saying to walk is a good exercise, but here walking is a good exercise. If I said to catch fish is easy, infinitive use, but catching fish is easy, direct ing. Understood? To tell a lie is seen, telling a lie is seen, gerund. I love to read is infinitive, but I love reading, gerund. He has come here with a view to killing me, gerund. Okay, so all these are called gerund. Or another example, I take to reading. Okay, I am used to teaching English. He is habituated to teaching English. All these are use of gerund. Last one is verbal noun. Verbal noun also the ing form, but keep in mind, in the case of verbal noun, first you will get the use of the, and the second one is of. For example, I was saying in the case of gerund, catching fish is easy, it is gerund. To catch fish is easy, infinitive, but the catching of fish is easy. Look, the is there, it, okay, now of. The catching of fish is easy, now it is called verbal noun. The cleaning of the road I have seen, or I saw the cleaning of the road. So first one the, next one is of, that's why it is called verbal noun. Okay, so simply in gerund the ing will be used directly, but it will not work as an adjective. But in participle it is totally adjective use. Okay, I saw a crying baby, I saw a laughing girl. Okay, but in the case of verbal noun there should be the first, then of, and the sentence will be the catching of fish is not easy or is easy. The reading of English is interesting, but in the case of gerund, reading English is very much important. Yes or no? Clear? Now we understand another type of the classification of verbs. One is regular verb, one is irregular verb. Regular verb are those verbs which end with ed or ied. For example, if I say called, okay, died. So look, the use of d we are getting or id we are getting. But in the case of irregular verb, the verb is being changed in the case of past form or participle form with the help of vowel change. If I say catch, caught, come, came, come, so it is changing. This is called vowel change, and it is nothing but irregular verb. Now we will learn another type of verbs. One is straight verb or even verb. So you have to keep in mind, state verb or even verb are those verbs which have no any kind of continuous form ing form. If you say I am feeling lonely, it is wrong in English. Grammatically it will be I feel lonely, because in the case of state or even verb there should not be any kind of ing used. Some words like hope, love, feel, hope, forget, these type of verbs have no any kind of ing used. Although you are seeing such uses in some books, but appropriate grammatically avoid such using words. Okay, I am loving you, wrong English. I love you, right English.